here with us, and you are just amazing. I love your stuff. It's so good to see you again. I haven't worked with you in a while, but I know your creative touches are amazing. And let me tell you, we did some research on her website. This is like $100 or more worth,
actually more,
worth of stuff. Okay, you get the 22-piece die set. It's all exclusive artwork. 22 dies are included. You'll only find this right here. When we started, we had about 700 or 800. Jared, I think I'm down to like what 500 of these remaining
already.
All right, so get it on sale. It's on FlexPay for $7.49. Creative touches for anything, birthday cards, thank yous, pretty much any occasion, Stephanie, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. So first of all, I have to say hello, my friends. That's my little tagline, so I had to make sure I got that out there.
Gotta get it in.
Now, I designed this die set exclusively for the HSN viewers. It's an inspiration die set. It has 11 dies, and I just want you to see how delicate and intricate these are. They're really, really gorgeous, and look at how beautiful that is. Now, not only are you getting the 11 dies, you're getting the shadow dies as well. So you're getting a 22-piece die set. Now, normally on my website, this would be well over $100. So I'm a little quite amazed at what we have today. Now, I have a lot of fun samples to share with you. And here we have one. This is actually going to be using my shaker card that we're going to be showing later. But look how fun that is. So we added our little smile. Here we added our little joy to the bottom of that one. We have love. Here's a sample of a lot of them. Hope, dream, create, inspire. Here's a cute one, smile. Oh, here's a gorgeous one, hope. Here's another one. Oh, a fun Christmas one with our little jingle jangle elves, joy. So you're gonna be using these dies for a lot of different projects. You can even do them for scrapbooking.
Sure.
Mostly card making is what I designed them for, but you can use them for anything. And of course, they're gonna be able to be used in any die cut machine. Okay. Here we have create, inspire, believe. And then we've even added this handy dandy booklet that's gonna have lots of ideas in it for you, all full color with supplies needed.
Oh, that's
so you're
great.
I know. So now all the samples that you see here, don't worry, you don't have to take pictures of them. We have them right here for you in the booklet. Full color, so you can see exactly what you're getting right here.
You can't make a mistake with these, and the designs are so great. And when you look at them, I love the depth of them, and I love the colors of them, and the way they come out when you actually do them. They're so great.
Right. And they're just, I know, and they're inspiration words. So that, you know, create, inspire, smile, laugh, dream. It's all about different little inspirational words just to have fun.
That's what makes them universal for like any occasion too, because you can, I mean, whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, whatever, congratulations. Right. All these work and they fit in so many different areas of your life. Grab them now. Jared, how many left? Uh-oh. I know they're going fast. Well, all right, so there's 400 left. Okay. So they're $29.90 on sale. Remember, about over $100 on your website, and you're stealing them away today.
Yes,
Let's
you
look
are.
at some more
And you cannot get them on my website, first of all.
No, they're not. Right.
They're only available here.
Right.
They're only available here. So here we have, and it's fun because they have these cute little tails on them. I just think it's just, it adds a little extra.
Like your pen just went off the paper.
Yeah, like you're like handwriting them. And here we have an example of what all of you get in the kit. So you can really see what you're getting.
Blew them up.
There we go. Yeah, they're blown up here so you can really see them. But they're all about inspiration. Inspire, hope, wish, believe, laugh, love, create, joy, smile, dream, pray. Just, you know, sometimes you just want to give somebody a little pick-me-up. Yeah. And these are the perfect examples for that. Just when you just want to have some fun and doing
and you're
things like
keeping
that.
it simple.
Yes.
Right. If you can't, you know, if you can't think about what to say, sometimes one word is enough.
That's true.
Right.
And it's perfect if you're going to give away cards. You're making cards to give away to people, and you don't know what to say because you don't, know how they're going to use them.
Exactly.
Then you're going to just decorate.
Good point.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So then you're going to have different things that you can say in that kit themselves. I know, with the little boy. Isn't that cute?
That's true.
Isn't that cute? And he's like waving. I love that.
Adorable.
I love that.
They all are. And I know, like I said again too, and what you had just said, when you don't know what to say about something, just maybe that one word just kind of says it all. Or you can customize them, as we said, to any holiday, any birthday, any anniversary, right? Absolutely.
Look at that. Isn't that fun? And they're just so intricate. I just love how beautiful they are when they die cut, and they die cut so gorgeous.
They do, and it's simple, easy, clean, and you'll see on all the examples just how great it is, and maybe it'll inspire you to sort of think about what you could do with it. Maybe you've got an occasion coming up and you're like, oh, that gives me a great idea for cards, right?
Exactly. And don't forget, you're getting the shadows as well. I'm known for giving the shadows as well. What does that mean? That means you're getting not only the die cut word itself, but you're also getting the green shadow around it, the dye around it. So you're getting both dyes.
That's
for
what
each
gives
word.
it that three-dimensional look, which is what really takes it over the top.
And another thing, sorry guy, another thing I want to mention to you is on my eyes, look at this little eye right there. You don't have to worry about that little dot, okay? That's still attached.
Yeah.
So you're not trying to pick that out and glue that on.
Right.
That's attached to the word, which, you know, because I am an end user, I'm a crafter. I design cards all the time. I don't want to have to find that little dot for that top of that eye. It's connected.
You understand the people.
I do.
Hey,
these are my peeps.
we explained it a couple times, but let's show everybody exactly what you get, because when we talk about the shadowing and what's behind it, so these are the dies here.
Yes, so here's the dies here. So here's the word inspire, and then you're getting the shadow die as well.
Okay.
So it's 2 different cuts, which is nice because then you can do 2 different colors. So here we have hope, and then there's the die that goes around it, the hope. Here's the joy, it goes around it, the joy. So you're getting the shadow die around it, which is really nice because then you're gonna mix and match your colors. You can use pattern paper, you can use glitter paper, you can use foil paper, vellum, anything you like, and those will work with all
They'll
of
go
those.
right through.
Yes,
Remember,
absolutely.
we gave you the little Stamps of Life guide to go with it, which gives you some great ideas inside here too. You actually have it there. Yeah, we'll show, because this is just a still picture. But inside is everything you would need to know. I mean, it explains, but you guys that know what you're doing already kind of have an idea what this does. But it will give you some great ideas for cards and colors and just, you know, more inspirational stuff. Stuff that you can really do at home. Even beginning crafters would love something like this,
absolutely,
right?
absolutely. And the nice thing is it goes through any die cut machine, even the little ones. It's gonna go right through, nice and easy.
Let me remind everybody today too, I didn't even say it at the beginning, but we're doing $5 to ship everything all day. All right, so load up now. Unfortunately, I don't think these are gonna get any other airings. We don't have a lot left. How many, Jared? Jared said about 300 or so remaining of the original 600 that we had. So these are already half gone if you would like them. Remember, it's FlexPay. It's only $7.49 on your card. Ship it home, you'll have them. You know, like we said, the nice thing about crafting is, you know, if you've got your folders and all that, put these away. You know there's gonna be an occasion coming up where you can use them, right?
Absolutely, you're gonna use these all the time. And you know what, sometimes it's like you said, it's when you don't know what you wanna say, you can say this.
I love it.
You know what I mean? Exactly.
Everything included, 22 pieces and the booklet to tell you how to do it. Brand new and almost sold out, but good luck to you, those of you. Stay online if you got it. Great job as always.
Thank you,
it's
Guy. Nice to see you too.
All right, hey, coming up, oh man, this is crazy. Check out the bracelet maker that we